Founded in 1996, ADI International has grown into the UAE's leading exporter of decorated apparel to the US, Japan, Europe, and the Middle East. From its 50,000 square foot facility in Dubai, ADI delivers world-class quality, driven by precision, global partnerships, and a promise of no compromise.
I have been in apparel manufacturing for over 3 decades, and I have been leading operations at ADI International throughout this period. We work closely with global brands to customers serving across hospitality, retail, and lifestyle industries. At ADI, we normally handle complex work including 14 to 18 color jobs, advanced watercolor ink systems, and specialty applications such as high density, foil, glitter, and especially lenticular printing. Our focus has always been on delivering high quality and specialty effect screen printing. We started with several automatic screen printing machines, which served us very well in our early and growth paths. However, as we onboarded global brands and expanded into more specialty and complex printing applications, our requirement changed. We needed unique solutions that allow us to print high quality, multicolor, water-based, and special effects at production scale to keep up with the market trends.
पहले बड़े लेंस वाला डिजाइन मारने के लिए वाटर बेस मल्टी कलर 3D प्रिंट मारने के लिए बहुत दिक्कत था. अभी ये मशीन आने के बाद बहुत अच्छा हो गया.
We know DCC for more than 3 decades. At an international trade show, DCC team personally walked me through the Copperhead technology. What impressed was their deep understanding of specialty screen printing, particularly the Squeegee Pressure Equalizer System. That auto-balances the squeegee pressure. We immediately realized this could be a game changer for high-end specialty applications, which solve our problems. We can now get stronger and uniform print pressure thanks to the robust machine structure.
මේක ඇවිල්ලා රෙජිස්ට්‍රේෂන් එතකොට print quality එක එතකොට high density print කරනකොට එම හොඳ quality එකක් තියෙනවා මේ machine එකේ speed එක තියෙනවා එතකොට production එක හොඳ කියන්නේ ලොකු quantity එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් හොඳ machine එකක් මේක.
ये machine में जो high density है ना, high density আমরা মারার সময় একবার যদি আমরা রেজিস্ট্রেশন বসাই বসানোর পরে আর 2 দিন 3 দিন ধরে মারার পরে রেজিস্ট্রেশন হয় না মানে লড়ে না জায়গা মতনই থাকে আমরা হাইটও ঠিক আছে আর এই মেশিনে যত বড় প্রিন্ট হোক কাট প্যানেল জিতনা মানে যত বড় প্রিন্ট হোক কাট প্যানেল আমরা ইজিলি ভাবে মারতে পারি.
We are now far more confident in accepting larger quantity premium specialty jobs that earlier would be pushed us back. Copperhead gave us a confidence to overcome, which has completely expanded our capabilities. Many jobs are moving towards digital printing, but the uniqueness of traditional screen printing, especially for glitters, foil, high density, lenticular, and other specialty effects, can never be replaced. This is where Copperhead came into the picture and changed the game for us. It gives us the confidence to scale specialty screen printing while maintaining the artistry and high quality that our global brands expect.